Hello guys, so today we are going to do a sum means second largest element in an array. So how can we solve this problem? First of all, I am taking an initial array where I am initializing an array. So it's my array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it's my array. After that, what I will do, I am going to do that I am taking first largest element. I am slicing a largest element at first. Okay, it should be array of 0. Okay, why we take this? Because at that time, at the initial time, I am taking just the 0 index of an array should be a largest for me. Okay, after that I am comparing, but initial value is the largest value for me. After that I am taking second largest. Okay, I am taking the second largest, means my second, what should be my second largest element. Suppose if I am taking array of 0, it is the largest element. What is the second largest? Okay, if it's 0 indexing, then of course it should be -1. Okay, so my second largest should be -1. Okay, after that what we will do, we are traversing that array. How we traverse that array? So for int I started with 0, I will till go less than arr dot length, then I plus plus. So through that way we are going to traverse that array. After that we are if we have a condition, if array of I is larger than largest, is greater than largest, means if the array of index is greater than the largest value, say the 1. If array of 1 is greater than 1, then what should happen? It will print we can initialize our second largest to the we are initializing largest element to the second largest. Means what I'm going to say, that if the array of I is larger than this number, then my initial value in the largest, I'm initializing to the second largest. Why I'm initializing? If the array of I means the index of 1. Okay, means the index of 1 is means it should be 2. Okay, and the largest should be 1. Okay, then array of I is larger than second largest, then automatically second largest, the largest number become the second largest. Okay, so that's why I am initializing second largest to the second largest. And what I am initializing in the largest, I am initializing array of I in the largest. Why? Because now the array of I element is 2. I am first of all I am initializing 1 in this, it will become 0. Then I am initializing 2, then it will become 2. Okay, then now the largest become 2 and second largest will become 1. So it is easy to understand. Okay, after that we apply if else condition. Else if what we have done in this array of I, okay, if the array of I is smaller than the largest, if this value is smaller, what happens? If I am taking array of I initial 2 and it will 1, then our loop is not doing well. So we are taking if array of I is is smaller than largest, and one more condition, if array of I is greater than the second largest. Yeah, it will also done if the array of I is larger than second largest, means the I am entering 2 and my second largest is 2 and the largest is 1. The array of I is larger than second largest. Okay, so in that condition what happens, we are initializing array of I in our second largest. Okay, we are initializing array of I directly to the second largest. Means, understand this, if array of I is 1 and the largest is 2, then array of I is smaller than largest, so automatically it will assign to the second largest. Okay, understanding na? If I am suppose if you have a four balls, you want to give one ball to a boy, okay, and three balls to another boy. So you do not want to distribute at each time one ball. If we have a clear sum of that ball, you directly pick up that ball and give to that boy who you want to give three balls. So it is same as that. If the why we are now initializing more and more by again and again, we are easily give if the array of I is smaller than the largest, then automatically we assign the array of I in the to the second largest. And second condition, if array of I is greater than second largest, it is also happens if array of I is greater than second largest. Okay, so it will automatically array of I is second assigned to the second largest. Okay, so it is the basic. After that, we should print dot out dot print ln. What we want to going to print, we are printing second largest, so our output will be 4. Okay, it is the basic problem how you solve the second largest element in this. If you have any problem in this question, please comment me down. I will going to solve your all problems, all questions in my comment box. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.